In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a database using Hostinger, which is an essential task for anyone managing websites or developing projects. Whether you're transferring data or setting up a new project, knowing how to efficiently import databases can save you a lot of time and potential headaches. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to log into Hostinger. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to www.hostinger.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is conveniently located at the top of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you're already signed in, you might be instantly redirected to your control panel, but if not, enter your login credentials and get yourself logged in. Now, once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to hPanel. This is Hostinger's intuitive control panel where you can manage all your site's functionalities. At the top of the interface, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Websites. This will take you to a page showing all the websites under your management. Select the site for which you wish to import a database by clicking on its dashboard link. Next, scroll down until you find the Databases section. Here, you'll see an option to open PMyAdmin, a powerful tool for managing your MySQL databases. Click on PMyAdmin, and then you'll see an Enter PMyAdmin button next to your database. Click it, and you'll be taken into the PMyAdmin interface, which is the main platform we'll use for importing your database. Within PMyAdmin, locate and click on your database name over in the left sidebar. This ensures you're working within the correct environment. Now, look for the Import tab at the top. Click on it, and it will bring you to the importing options. Here, you'll see a button labeled Choose File. Click this to open a file selection dialog where you can navigate to and select your .sql or .zip database file from your computer. Importantly, you won't need to adjust any of the settings here. The default settings are configured to handle most common scenarios right out of the box. So just scroll down and click Go at the bottom right. This will start the import process, so sit tight while PMyAdmin does its thing. After a brief moment, you should see a success message appearing on your screen. This message confirms that your database has been uploaded successfully. To double-check, take a look at the left sidebar in PMyAdmin. You should see all of your imported tables appear there, indicating everything is in the right place. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your database using Hostinger. Knowing how to do this effectively ensures your site runs smoothly and is an invaluable skill for web managers and developers alike. Thank you for watching, and feel free to rewind if you need to revisit any of these steps. Happy developing!